Rylan just took her first steps. She did. Let's get him. Let's get him on video. Come on. I'm so excited. Oh. Try again. Come to Mommy. Come to Mommy. Here you go. Rylan. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is a big day. This is a very big day. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep coming. Keep coming. I'm so excited. 8, 9. Yay, Rylan. Hi, I'm so proud of you. Drew, let's clap for her. Yay, Rylan. Woo! What a big girl you are. What a big girl. You took some steps. Do you want to do a little more? Come here. Stand up. Up. Come get Mommy. Come here. Come here. 1. Come here. Rylan. Whoop. Let's try. Let's try. It's a big day. It is a big day. Ready? Hey. Ready? Come here. With the remote control in your hand. Come on. Come here, honey girl. Honey girl. Walk. 1. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep coming. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yay, Rylan! I got to kiss you. I'm so proud of you. Wow, what a big girl. 12 steps. 12 steps in a row. That's the most ever. See, up until now we've had 1, 2 steps. But today when I saw 5, I said, we gotta get this on tape. I'm proud of you. Drew, did you see her? What did she just do? Drew. Hey, Drew. I'm talking to you. What did your sister just do? Drew. Look at me. Drew. What did your sister just do? She walked? Isn't that exciting? Are you playing with one of her toys?